Trending on Procyon radio and television with Sarah Agbo. MKO All-Rounder is in the house.
I'm already seated.
You're welcome.
Let's hear what is trending in the news.
Tinubu'S victory predestined as president of Nigeria 25 years ago. Pastor Obinna Michael. Bola Ahmed Tinubu emergence as Nigerian president is predestined some 25 years ago. According to Pastor Obinna Michael, the president of the Gifted World Commission, he disclosed that prophecy was uttered at the Redemption Camp, the prayer ground of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, RCCG, that God promised to make Tinubu the Nigerian president. A trending photo of the First Lady REMI Tinubu in a meeting between President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Vice President Kashim Shettima on economic issues. The picture is taken from the meeting of Tinubu with the Governor of Central Bank of Nigeria, Godwin Emefiele, and the Group Chief of Executive Officer of Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited, NNPCL, Mele Kyari, at the presidential villa. Asari Dokubo. Start praying for the health of our president. Asari Mujahid Dokubo said, we all need to join hands and support the government of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He let us start praying for his health and God's guidance in all he does. As a matter of fact, Asari said that hatred won't do any good. As for the fuel subsidy, he stated that the hardship will not last for a long time. It is just a matter of days or weeks. Joe Biden falls. President Joe Biden falls after tripping over an obstacle on the stage at Air Force Academy in Colorado. But he appeared unhurt. Air Force personnel helped him back up. All-rounder, Tinubu's victory is predestined, according to Pastor Obinna Michael.
Nigeria pastors, I praise thee. So God has seen Tinubu, even during the primary of APC, when the dollars are rolling, the highest bidder take it. So God has seen it, destining Tinubu to be president. Even when the INEC, on the day of election, stop our suffer, God has predestined Tinubu. So that's the arrangement according to the Redeemed Pastor. God has predestined Tinubu to be Nigeria president from the Redeemed camp over 25 years ago. That the INEC will obstruct the suffer on the day of election, and the highest bidder will take the APC primary. So that's all has been predestined for Tinubu to become our president. Nigeria pastor, I praise thee.
Thank you. First lady seen in an official meeting where you have Godwin Emefiele, Tinubu, and Kashim Shettima. Of course, you know they should be there, and they were there. And then Godwin Emefiele was there, Kyari was there.
So you mean that our First Lady REMI Tinubu was there with the executive?
Yes,
executive meeting,
official, yeah.
On the officials meeting. Why? The role of First Lady is not specified in our constitution. But meanwhile, because our former president, Muhammadu Buhari has said it, that his wife Aisha should be at the other room. Do you think, Sarah, that this time around REMI Tinubu should be in other room? Do you think that he should be in other room?
It depends.
I don't think so. I cancel it. Because during the campaign of APC, you can see REMI Tinubu all over the president. He guide president, he hold president's hand. He has to be in any other meeting you will see him around the president. He's our husband. You understand? So he has to be always be around the president. So I don't see anything so bad for the REMI first lady to even enter the meeting of executive to stay with the husband. He has to be being around with the husband. He have to be around the husband now. Yes. Even if it is not in constitution, we have to put it in constitution. Yes, because he has to be with the husband. Tinubu need her around at every moment. Any meeting our president is doing, either he's doing with security, either he's doing with anywhere, he must be in around. I don't think, even if he goes abroad, I will not talk about that one. I don't know about that. Maybe we will allow it. But we will allow it here. He has to be in the NFA free meeting. It's our first lady. He has to be with the president. He has to be all over the president, to guide the president. Not other room, not only to stay in the other room. No, please, Tinubu, REMI Tinubu, the thing where you do am fine.
Pray for the health of Tinubu, Asari says.
So, Asari knows say Tinubu dey sick. Because Asari now is calling for prayer for Tinubu. You understand? That is to say, Asari knows more about Tinubu than me, the ordinary Nigeria. Because as we know, Tinubu never sick. Tinubu never come out and tell us that he's sick. And we don't even see how Tinubu is sick. Because Tinubu is an agile. You can see him talking, marching very well, strong and ready. But what Asari talking about is asking me and you now to pray for president. I don't know, Asari, what you know. But my only advice for our president is that he should make Asari Dokumbo chief of staff, of his staff in Aso Rock. He should make Asari Dokumbo chief of his staff for Aso Rock. Because this Asari you are seeing, he know much about Tinubu. That ordinary Nigeria didn't know. He know much. So he should help the president, and he must be in Aso Rock with the president. Chief of staff, and we campaign for Asari Dokumbo. That our president should take him as a chief of staff. Yes.
Joe Biden falls.
You mean American president? He falls down. You see? You see what I'm saying? Where is his wife? Are they being Mrs. Jobini is in that place? How would the husband fall for ground? You see now what I'm saying? Our president Tinubu can never fall because we have a smarter guys around to hold him. The president's wife is there, is always there. That is why you see now. That's what I'm saying. You see why? Well, you see why the REMI has to jump into that meeting? You understand? He has to join to that meeting. He has to be around the Tinubu. See now, the obedience for that because the wife is not around. In Nigeria, there's no way that Tinubu can fall down. Because I trust Nigeria. A smarter guy is around to hold him. Yes, it can never fall. I trust Nigeria. We are all smarter people. No, is it not this Joe Biden that's telling us that the America will support Tinubu in his government? Now that you are falling now, how will you support us? This can never happen in Nigeria. Lie for a president to fall down. When our president Tinubu staggered, somebody quickly hold him. Yes.
Trending with Sarah Agbo on Procyon Radio and Television.